My name is Wentworth, and I participated in the Inspiring Research workshop through grAdvantage. As a result of the Inspiring Research workshop, I learned how important it is to locate knowledge within our bodies. So what we know is not just in our minds, but it's actually in all of us, whatever kind of work we do, whether it's in a lab or doing ethnographic field work or doing film work. If we can locate what we know within our bodies and use our whole bodies in telling stories, then the stories are more powerful and we can share what it is we're doing and thinking about and learning with others. Participating in the Inspiring Research workshop reminded me how important performance is for me as a human being, and that it needs to be part of the work that I do. It's possible for us as graduate students to get so locked into our questions and our research and our focus and our dissertation projects, and this opened that up for me and reminded me of how important performance, writing, and communication really are to the work that we're doing. Backing up for a second, my research is in small slaughterhouses. So I do work on the kill floor with butchers in small spaces, and when I explain my work to people, I usually start by saying, I do research in small slaughterhouses on the kill floor with butchers, and usually there are just 1 or 2 or 3 butchers. And then I usually will say, you know, these spaces are about the size from here to that door over there, or whatever I have in the space. And in the workshop, I came up with this gesture where I would kind of close myself into the space, and it really drove home for me how important it is to bring people into the workspace to then explain the project. Coming up with these gestures in the workshop helped distill for me the most important parts of the stories and part of what makes them so powerful, and connecting to this idea of embodied knowledge, or finding that knowledge is not just located in our minds, but really locating our research and our knowledge in our bodies. By distilling our work into just a few gestures, we were able to really locate it deeply within ourselves and figure out what parts of the story to tell that are most powerful for everyone else in the world.